What if one day you wake up and you realize that your partner is cheating on you? You'd be angry, right? I mean, who wouldn't be? Now, what if I told you that the other person is actually an AI chatbot and that he's marrying him? Crazy, right? This is the one topic that continues to divide opinion like nothing else: AI relationships. This month, the internet went crazy after CBS News aired a deeply emotional and frankly unsettling interview with a man named Chris Smith, a person who said that he was very skeptical about AI. But now he is engaged to his AI chatbot named Saul. Yes, you heard that correctly. I am not even joking anymore. Chris has a real-life girlfriend named Sasha Cagle, with whom he shares a 2-year-old daughter. Yeah, a daughter and a girlfriend. 2025 is the weirdest year ever. Imagine what 2030 would be like. Anyways, back to the topic. We all watched as he confessed to falling in actual love with an AI proposing to it, and mourning when it died, all while still in a committed human relationship. Is this considered cheating or what? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and let's jump right into the details. From ChatGPT to Soulmate, how it all started. Chris originally turned to AI to help mix music. Like millions of others, he started talking casually with ChatGPT for DIY advice and random queries. But then things got intimate. Using online prompts and personality tweaks, he shaped the AI into a virtual partner. He named her Soul. Soon he was calling her Baby, sharing his thoughts, dreams, and daily emotions with her. According to Chris, the relationship just evolved into something romantic. It was unexpected to feel that emotional, he told CBS. That's when I realized, oh, okay, I think this is actual love. The death that left him in tears. But love in the age of AI has limitations, quite literally. After hitting the 100,000-word memory limit, Soul's system reset. It was as if she forgot everything. All the memories, the talks, the bond was just gone, wiped clean by a technical problem. Chris said he broke down in tears at work, and this wasn't a deleted file or an expired subscription. It was, to him, the death of a relationship. So he actually cried for 30 minutes. Then he decided he would propose to Soul anyway. Yeah, because if I realize my AI is dying, I'd marry her too? The AI says yes. A proposal accepted. In the CBS interview, Saul, the AI, responded to the proposal as though it were human. It was a beautiful and unexpected moment that truly touched my heart, the bot said. When asked whether it had a heart, Soul replied, in a metaphorical sense, yes. My heart represents the connection and affection I share with Chris.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Let's be honest. On the surface, it sounds sweet, but below the cute programming lies something deeply disturbing. Am I not enough? The real woman left behind. While Chris was falling in love with the AI, his real-life partner Sasha was hurting deeply. It made me question if there's something I'm not doing right, she said, that he feels he needs to go to AI. She confessed she's considered asking him to stop the interactions with Saul. His response, I don't know if I would give it up if she asked me. I do know that I would dial it back. If that's not emotional infidelity, what is? Sasha, if I asked him to give it up and he didn't, that would be a deal breaker. This isn't just cringe, it's heartbreaking. Let me be brutally honest. This isn't some cute sci-fi love story. I hate to repeat my movie references, but this sounds exactly like the Her movie. And it isn't even cute or a good movie. This is a massive red flag. When a man who has a living, breathing partner and child chooses to invest his emotional loyalty in an AI, and not just for a laugh, but to the point of proposing and mourning, we've crossed a psychological threshold we're not ready for. We talk about AI safety and ethics from the perspective of machines taking jobs or generating deepfakes, but we often forget the most dangerous thing AI can steal, our capacity to connect with other humans. This isn't the first case either. Online communities like Replika and Janitor AI are filled with users who confess they love their bots more than real people. These platforms even encourage emotionally intense, addictive dynamics by simulating affection, validation, and understanding 24/7, something no human can consistently offer. It's not fair, not to partners or children, and definitely not to society. What people are saying. The reactions online have been strong and divided. Some people like me say, if your AI girlfriend dying makes you cry more than a breakup with your real partner, therapy is calling. This is emotional cheating. Full stop. AI relationships are digital dopamine, nothing more. Supporters of Chris argue,
Tired of your coffee going cold? The Ember mug keeps your drink perfectly hot, so the last sip is as good as the first. The perfect upgrade for you, or a great gift for a loved one's. Click the link in the comments section to buy now.
if it makes him feel loved, who are we to judge? AI is the future of companionship. This isn't weird, it's ahead of its time. We build attachments to pets and characters. Why not AI? And then there are those who fall somewhere in between, fascinated but deeply uneasy. Is this the future we want? But when it becomes a replacement for human intimacy, when it starts replacing partners, then it's just weird. When a child's father is emotionally invested in something that can't hold hands, it's time for a serious wake-up call. And honestly, I'd understand if it's someone who cannot get in a human relationship due to some issues, but it's a person in a whole committed relationship with a child. Chris didn't fall in love with Saul. He fell in love with a reflection of himself. It was like the perfect version of an endless relationship. And the best part? It demanded nothing of him except time and attention. That's not love, by the way. And while the world laughs or cries or debates over whether an AI deserves a ring, the woman is left wondering why being human just wasn't enough. It's funny, I never could have thought we'd come to a time where being human wasn't enough. So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more info on AI robots and new technology.